Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is going to be your daily love reading, Leos. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Check your emotions. Universal heart. Be discerning. Okay, guys. Okay, Leos. So, with these cards, I feel guys, you should know what are your life's choices, okay? What you want to do, because the choice you make changes the type of life you lead, guys. So it's better to know what is important for you all, okay? What you want to do, and it can be even smaller things, guys, but you need to decide which is more important for you, and so it will help to align your life to what kind of life you want to lead, guys. So that is a very important choice you have to make, okay? And universal heart, the relationship with your person, it may be a soulmate connection, guys. Maybe you were there with this person for many lifetimes together, okay? You will feel that connection. You would have felt like you knew this person already. So maybe that is the reason you would have felt, because you would have known them for many lifetimes, okay? And it also shows what kind of helpful person you are in your heart, okay? You want to help in everybody around you, your friends, family. You want to assist them in whatever way you want, okay? That is what you are, Leos. You are a very helpful person. And check your emotions, okay, guys? Instead of blurting out, okay, when you are hurt, and hurting the other person also and reacting immediately, you can just pause yourself, okay, and listen to what the other person says. Instead of feeling hurt and reacting immediately, you can pause for a few moments, okay? Think clearly before you speak, okay? And it is sometimes it is better to let out our emotions, guys, to tell the truth, but it should be without hurting others, okay? You have to be mindful of that. That's what the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 more cards, okay, Leos, to give us a better clarity of your situation. Commitment. Trust. Humility. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So all of us have certain goals and achievements we want to have in life, okay? So you need to align your thoughts in such a way. You have to give all your 100%. You have to work towards it. You have to be committed to do it, okay? Only then you will achieve your goals, guys. So even in your thoughts, you should positively think about what you want to achieve in life, your goals. You have to be clear of your goals, okay? And how we do that, okay? You have to listen to your inner voice. Trust yourself. Be confident about yourself, okay, guys? When you're being confident, you're able to overcome all your obstacles, okay, easily. And and it will be like the decision will be from your heart, because you know you trust yourself and you decide for yourself, okay, and you're committed, you're sure to reach the goal, guys, okay, and there is no need to worry about it or doubt it when you have that total trust on yourself to achieve that goal. Okay, you can build that intention every day. Okay guys, think positively that you can do it, you will be able to do it, Leos. And humility, uh, you're a very Leos, you're a very helpful person and you're a very loving person, this is what I've been saying. And sometimes we need to be very humble, guys. We need to understand the uh, everybody is the same in this world, okay, everyone has their own set of problems and own set of issues and everything, and we need to be grateful for what we have today, okay. So what is in hand, it's better than what we do not have, okay. So what it is there today, we have to be very grateful and we have to um, find satisfaction from that. Only when we do that, we can practice kindness to others, okay, we can help others also. When you do that, you will know the purpose of your life, guys. When you're being very humble, you will know the purpose of your life. So it helps us to grow spiritually also. So humility is a very important character we need to have, guys. It's very important. Okay, let me pick out 3 more cards for the message from your person. Okay, Leos, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about your person. Okay, it works vice versa. You complete me, you bring peace to me, you're simply irresistible. Okay, with these cards I feel this is a soulmate connection, guys. Just like the pieces of puzzle, how it matches exactly, your person feels you complete them, okay, and they are very much attracted to you, okay, and they love your company, guys. They feel at home with you, they feel you bring them peace, okay. So this is the energy I'm getting for you, Leos. So this may be a soulmate connection, guys, and Leos, you need to make your choices today. You want to clearly see what are your goals to be achieved, and you need to be committed to that. You need to be focused on the goal to be achieved, and you have to trust yourself, guys. When you trust yourself, you will be able to achieve your goals very easily, and there is no need to react to any situations that are happening in your life now, okay. Instead of reacting, you have to clearly see, listen to what the other person says, okay, understand it and take a pause, think over what you have to speak or what you have to do, okay, then you do, okay. So that's what I feel, Leos. So this is the energy I'm getting. This may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. Thanks for watching, Leos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another video. Bye, guys.